Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning the birds for kids. Okay, first one is cardinal. Next one is blue jay. Next one is hawk. Next one is peregrine falcon. Next one is bald eagle. Next up is golden eagle. Next one is owl. Next one is mourning dove. Next one is pelican. Next one is robin. Next one is Iowa's national bird. Next one is California quail. Next one is turkey vulture. Next one is parrot. Next one is toucan. Next one is crow. Next one is woodpecker. Next one is kingfisher. Next one is a hummingbird. Next up is flamingo. Next up is penguin. Next one is the awesomelet. That's all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!